Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Alwi Asgaf from class 90.1A.09, majoring in Information System, Bina Sarana Informatika University. Here I will share my opinion about smoking on campus. In my opinion, smoking in campus is inappropriate because the campus is a smoke-free zone, which usually is supported by the chancellor regulation. I think this is a good thing because it support a healthier lifestyle on campus, especially since not everyone in campus is smokers. And according to an article written by Dr. Suraji Tirtonegoro Central General Hospital team in Klaten, passive smoking is more dangerous than active smoking. Therefore, I believe the no smoking regulation on campus is very good because it indirectly reduces the risk of exposure to secondhand smoke for passive smoker. That's my opinion about smoking on campus, and I also attach a link to the article below. Thank you. Hello everyone, in this video part 2 I will explain about question word. What is question word? Question word is a word used to ask about people, place, things, reason, and ways. This word also known as WX word because the most of them begin with the letter WX. What is question word? Who, what, when, where, why, how is question word. When to use question word, I will explain this in next slide. Question word who. You using this when you want to ask about person or people. The formula is who, main verb plus object. Example, who open the window. Who become a question word, open become the main verb, and the window become the object. Next, question word what. You use this when you want to ask about thing or specific information. The formula is question word plus auxiliary verb, subject plus main verb, or question word plus main verb plus object. Example, what are you doing? What created this mess? And you can also use this for repetitive sentence like what? I cannot hear you. Question word when. You use this when you want to ask about a time. The formula is WH word or question word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. The example is when will the class start? Question word where. Yeah, you use this question word when you want to ask about place or location. The formula is same like before, like question word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. The example is where does your father work? Where is question word, does is auxiliary verb, your is being a subject, and your father is subject, and work is the main verb. Next, question word way. You use this question word when you want ask for reason or explanation. The formula is question word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. Example, why is he crying? Why did you hit him? Why is question word, is auxiliary verb, he is the subject, crying is the main verb. Question word how. You use this when you want to ask about a method or condition. The formula is question word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. Example, how do you bake a cake? This become question word, this auxiliary verb, this the subject, and this the main verb. You can also like ask about condition. How are you? Question word how plus adverb or adjective. The formula is how plus adjective or verb plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. Example, for the adjective is how old, how tall, and example for the adverb is how often, how well. Additional question word. Was, which, whom, what kind of, what time, what if is include additional question word. I will explain in next slide. Question word was used when you want to ask about possession or ownership. Formula is was, noun, is, are, was, were, plus subject. And the second formula is was, noun, is, are, was, were, plus subject plus main verb. Example is what car is this? Or what outfit are you wearing? Question word which using this when you want to ask from just but in limit option. The formula is was auxiliary plus subject, or was subject auxiliary plus main verb. The example, which color do you like, red or blue? This is limited option because there are only two options. Or which is the best route? Question word whom. When using this when you want to ask about person but person as object. The formula is whom, auxiliary verb, subject plus main verb. Example, who was I am talking to? Whom in here is object because the subject is Ajam. Or whom are you going to meet? Question word what kind of use. When you ask about type kind on something, use it when there is a wide or unlimited range of choice. The formula is what kind of is plus noun plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. Example, what kind of music do you like? This is unlimited range of choice because I don't give the choice. Question what time use. You use this when you want ask about time but in specific, like an hour or at 3 p.m. The formula is what time, auxiliary verb, plus subject plus main verb. Example, what time did the movie end? You can answer this in 30 minutes. Question what if use. To ask about possibilities and consequences in future. The formula is what if plus simple present tense or simple past tense or simple perfect tense. Example, what if I went to store? What if I were you? What if it rained? This is talk about in possibilities and consequence in future. The difference between question word with almost the same function. And different between who and whom. Who when you want to ask about person that performing action, but whom you use it when you ask about person that affected by the action. So this who is become the subject and whom this is become the subject. The object. Sorry, this whom is being the object. Next. Different between when and what time. When is you want to ask about a general time frame or value period like tomorrow or in 2 days, and what time is when you want to ask in precise time like at 3 p.m. or in 30 minutes. The difference between which and what kind of which you using this when you know that there are only a few common option or asking for specific item. What kind of is you using this when there are no common option or unlimited or unspecific. And also this is you can use this when you want to your answer is being description like what kind of cat is that. This question will be answered with a description of the type of cat. Thank you.